Hey guys, welcome back to CryPTOGPT, your #1 channel for everything crypto, blockchain, and making money online. Did you miss out on Pi network? If you regret not mining Pi early when it was easy, this is your second chance. There's a brand new mining app called Delta, and just like Pi, it lets you mine crypto for free with your smartphone. No expensive mining rigs, no high electricity cost, just a simple tap daily to earn tokens. And here is the exciting part. Delta has less than 80,000 users worldwide right now. That means you're very early to join, and you can mine at the highest rate before millions of users join and the rewards start dropping. So in this video, I will show you how Delta works, how to register and start mining, and why you should join now before the mining rates start dropping. Stick with me to the end of this video because I will also be answering important questions about Delta and what to expect in the future. Let's dive into the main video. So right now you can see the Delta app is just very similar to Pi. There's nothing much. After this countdown, it will show you how to, like, you tell you to click and it will start mining. You get after 24 hours. So it's just simple. There's nothing much or something very hard for you to understand if you've mined Pi. So for those of you who did not do Pi, maybe I'll do this video so that you will know how you can go about it. So first thing, I'll just have to paste the link in the description of this video. So go to the description of this video and click on it to register. Like now I'm going to show you how you can sign up on Delta. So when you click on the link, it will take you to a page like this. So once it opens to a page like this, you can see right here that download the Delta app and start mining and managing assets. If you are using iOS, you just have to click right here, and if you are using Android, you click right here. So currently I'm using Android. I'll just have to click here and just have to wait for it to open. So now you can see the file is actually downloading. For those of us that are using Android, to download like this. So I will not have to download this app because I already have the app in my phone. So just download it in your phone. Once you download the Delta app to your device, it will show like this. So currently I'm mining with this Delta app. So my phone has a special feature that I can actually clone an app. Just give me a little moment, please. Let me just hurry up. Delta. So right here, I just have to. You can see that the app has installed. So this is the duplicate or the clone app of Delta, the main Delta app. So I'll use this for the tutorial. So now you have to click on the Delta app after installing. So once the Delta app opens like this, select your country and region. So I'll select my country. Then enter your phone number right here. So I'll enter my phone number. Just hold on. Once you're done adding your phone number, click on next step. So it will open a page like this. They say add your referral ID and your nickname. This referral ID is compulsory. It is not optional. Even though you add your nickname and you did not add the referral ID, they won't allow you to go to the next step. So go to the description of this video and copy the referral DID. So this is the referral DID. Then now I'll add my nickname right here. So once it opens this page like this, click on next step. So once it opens a page like this, click on DSMS verification, click on it, click on get. So now there are two options to verify your phone number, either your local access or the global universal access. So now let me explain. If you select Ghana, South Africa, US, UK as your country and region, they will first give you an options like this, like for local SMS verification. They'll put some phone numbers that are likely to be from your country. But if you go under this global universal, that means there are only 3 numbers right here in the global universal. So Hong Kong, Britain, and probably this should be China. So I'll select my country. Then now once you select this option in your own country there, I don't know how your network provider works over there, but I'll just select MTN because this the network provider I'm using. So I'll select MTN. So you can actually select any number, it will all go, but see, if you check this score, you can actually see that the MTN are performing better, like they are responding faster than this other two. So I'll go with these two, then click on next step. It will take you to the verification page, and this is it. This is the verification string. First, copy this verification string, then under this sending mode, it's under it has SMS and WhatsApp, but you can see that the WhatsApp is not functional, that is not clicking, so we are only using the SMS mode. So now for the access number 1 and access number 2, first click on the access number 1, click confirm, open your message app. You can see that my app right now, my message app is currently on SIM 1. So you yourself that added the number, you know where your SIM card is. This particular number I added is in my SIM 2, so I'll select SIM 2. So once you're done, send the SMS. Once you're done, you can see that it has gone. Then come back right here, click on the second one, do the same procedure. Okay, I select SIM 2 and do the same thing. Okay, it is all, I'm done, it's all set. So click on I have sent the verification string, next step, click on it, then confirm. Just wait for them to confirm your number. Verification successful. You can see writing to the on chain, please wait. I've created an account successfully. Very simple and very easy. So now right here, let me show you how you can mine. You'll be clicking right here in this button every 24 hours. So I'll just click mine. Once you click on it, click mine. You can see it has started counting over here right at the top here. So this thing goes up the way here like this round. So once it gets to this 24 hours, you can see the number in there, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 is 24. So once you get to 24 hours here, that means you come to mine again. You come back to the app to mine, and currently we have total of 79,667 people that are currently mining Delta. You're very early to join this project, so you need to take it seriously. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video to your friends, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Very important, so you'll be getting more updates about crypto and how you can make money online. See you guys in my next video.